Hey y'all, Dr. P here, the founder and CEO of Priscilla Kucer Consulting Solutions. June 2nd and June 3rd are two dates that you want to make sure that you save on your calendar. If you're a micro business owner or a small business owner and you are wanting to learn more about how emotional intelligence can be incorporated as you build and grow your business. Remember, June 2nd and June 3rd, those are the two dates that you want to make sure that you mark on your calendar to attend this event that we're going to be having. Look out for more information coming out this week, as well as some early bird coupons for you early birds out there who want to make sure that you get your seat into this two-day event where there are going to be limited seats available, y'all. I'm Dr. P, founder and CEO of Priscilla Kucer Consulting Solutions. Remember, solutions plus actions equals results. See you on June 2nd and 3rd, y'all.